Hello students, as we have covered chapter number 13, birds, so now we are going to do fill in the blanks. You have to take out your notebooks, pencil, eraser and sharpener. So be ready. So here it goes. Number 1. Different birds have dash kinds of beaks depending on the food they eat. Number 2. Water birds have dash feet to help them swim in water. Number 3. Birds have strong dash muscles help them to move their wings. Number 4. Dash feathers are found all over the body of the bird to keep the body warm. Next, a dash bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together. Next, sharp claws of flesh-eating birds are called dash. Next, the woodpecker and the hoopoe have strong dash-shaped beaks. Next, birds migrate every year in the dash season. Next question is, identify who am I? You have to tell the name of the bird, right? So number 1. I have webbed feet that are super water paddles. Number 2. My wide strong feet keep me from slipping on ice. Number 3. My powerful feet are meant for catching small animals. Number 4. I peck my beak into tree trunks and make a hole for a nest. That's all for today. Thank you.